Hello guys, I just bought the air fryer from ALDI today and it's super cheap with the brand name Ambiano. So let's have a look what's inside of this air fryer. As you know, air fryer is a new kitchen utensil that you can do a lot of things with it. Like the basic thing, air fryer that you don't need the oil to fry fish, French fries, or even other fruit or veggie. So the air fryer Ambiano can do a lot of things: roast, bake, grill, and of course air fryer. So let's have an overview of what function that the air fryer brings to your benefit. The first thing is the LED touch display. You can see here with 60-minute timer or overheat protection. And one of the key things is a removable trivet tray for easy cleaning. You know, when you put the French fries in here, like after 15 or 20 minutes, and that's finished. And especially with the non-stick cooking pot, it's easy to clean with 1000 watt power. Moreover, you can adjust the temperature from 40 to 200 Celsius degree. Okay, so like any other previous videos, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Can you guess how much does it cost for this air fryer? $40, $40. Okay, there you go. Okay, this is manual. Careful. Oh, there you go. It's not very heavy at all. It's just for the volume of 2.5 liter. It's suitable to any food that you're gonna make with the air fryer. There you go. Let's put it aside a little bit. All right. Wait one. Take out the glue and here's the basic thing. There you go. You can see it here. So this is a non-stick tray. So you will put it here, and every time you fry, make sure that you put it in the tray. So that's it for today. In the next video, I will showcase you with some examples like French fries with this air fryer. Please remember to click subscribe and follow the video, and don't forget to give your comment on the food that you want to see in the next video. Thank you.